Hello students! In this video, you will learn about the parts of the microscope and their function. At the end of this video, you should be able to identify the parts of the microscope and their function. Microscope is divided into three major parts. The mechanical parts, responsible for adjusting and supporting the microscope. Magnifying parts that helps to enlarge the specimen. And the illuminating parts accountable for providing light to the microscope for better magnification. Let's begin with the mechanical parts of a microscope. Base acts as microscope support. Pillar is the part above the base that supports the other parts. Intonation joint is where the arm connects to the base. You can tilt your microscope back for more comfortable viewing. Arm is a curved or slanted part which is held while carrying the microscope. Fine adjustment knob is a round knob on the side of the microscope used to fine-tune the focus of your specimen. Coarse adjustment knob is geared to the body tube which elevates or lowers when rotated, bringing the object into approximate focus. Body tube connects the eyepiece to the objective lens. Draw tube is a cylindrical structure on the top of the body tube that holds the ocular lens. Revolving nosepiece is the part that holds two or more objective lenses and can be rotated easily to change the power. Dust shield lies atop the nosepiece and keeps dust from settling on the objective. Stage is the flat platform where you place your slides. Stage clips holds the slides in place. If your microscope has a mechanical stage, you will be able to move the slide around by turning two knobs. One moves it left and right, the other moves it up and down. Now, let's move to the illuminating parts of a microscope. Mirror allows you to direct ambient light up to through the hole in the stage and illuminate the specimen without electricity. If you are using other types of microscope, instead of mirror, it uses light bulb to illuminate the object being observed. Condenser. Condenser is essential to focus the light onto the specimen. Condenser lenses are most useful at the highest powers, 400 times and above. Microscopes with in-stage condenser lenses render a sharper image than those with no lens. Iris diaphragm. Iris diaphragm regulates the amount of light necessary to obtain a clear view of the object. The magnifying parts of a microscope starts with an eyepiece or ocular. Ocular is a set of lenses found in the top of the body tube that magnifies the image produced by the objective lenses. It usually ranges from 5 times to 15 times. Objective lenses. Objective lenses are metal cylinders attached below the nosepiece and contain mostly ground and polished lenses. There are different types of objective lenses depending on the power of magnification. A typical compound microscope contains 4 objective lenses, namely the scanning objective lens that provides lowest magnification power of all objective lenses. Combined with the magnification power of 10 times eyepiece lens, a 4 times scanning objective lens gives a total magnification of 40 times. The low power objective lens has more magnification power than the scanning objective lens, and it is one of the most helpful lenses when it comes to observing and analyzing glass slide samples. It has a magnification of 10 times. The high power objective lens. The high-power objective lens is ideal for observing fine details within a specimen sample. It has a magnification of 40 times or 60 times. Last but not the least is the all-immersion objective lens. It provides the most powerful magnification with a magnification total of 1000 times. Observe this picture for better differentiation of the four objective lenses in terms of structure. If we are to look for our microscope's total magnification, let's use the formula objective lens multiplied to the eyepiece. Let's have this sample problem. What is the total magnification if the objective lens is 20 times and the eyepiece lens is 5 times? So, 20 times 5 equals 100 times. The magnification of your microscope is 100 times. I hope you learned a lot today. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a day full of blast.